In order to analyze the data, we need to run the SPSS software. And suppose this is our data in the SPSS. And we have two view possibilities. One is the data view, and the other one is the variable view. And in the data view, we can input all the data that you collected from your questionnaire. And suppose I have two variables. One is called gender, the other one is called days of holidays. And in the data view, there are all the original data from the questionnaires. And in the variable view, I can define the variables. For example, the first variable is called gender. There is no decimals. And in the questionnaire, it says, please circle your gender. And because SPSS is a numerical analysis software, so I cannot directly type male or females. Instead, I need to name it as a number. And in the value part, if I click it, you can see I say 0 is male, 1 is the female. So every time when SPSS meets 1 in this variable, the computer knows it is female. If it is 0, then the computer knows it is the male. Because this is a nominal variable, so in the measure part, I need to name it as a nominal. And the other one is from the questionnaire. It says, how many days of holidays did you have in 2015? And again, there is no decimals. And it is a scale because it is a quantitative variable. Okay. After naming these two variables, I go to the data view. Then I can type 0 as male and 1 as female, and type the original numbers I collected from the questionnaire. And in total, you can find that there are 82 persons who have filled in the questionnaire with valid answers. The next step is I need to analyze it. Because the gender is the independent variable, and there are only two categories in this independent variable, male and female. And the dependent variable is a quantitative variable. It is number of days of holidays in 2015. So I need to choose analysis method. I go to Analyze, Compare Means. Then I choose Independent Sample t-test. And then I move the variable, the dependent variable, test into the test variable, which is how many days of holidays in 2015. And the independent variable is the gender. I move it here. But don't forget to click Define Groups, because you need to tell the computer that they need to find out which two numbers to be compared, 0 and 1, which is males and females. Then I click Continue. Then I click OK. Then an SPSS output will be popped up automatically. And from this output, you can find there are two parts. The first one is group statistics. This is descriptive statistical analysis. And in this one, you can directly see that in total we have 82 persons. Among them, 45 are males, 37 are females. And for the males in 2015, on average, they have got 29.64 days of holidays, while females have got 21.51 days of holidays. And this is the standard deviation for each means. After the descriptive statistics, you need to also analyze the hypothesis testing. And from this part, we need to read these three numbers, the t-value, degree of freedom, and the p-value. And for the t-value, it is 4.486 with degree of freedom 80. And the p-value is 0.000, which is not exactly 0, but it shows it is smaller than 0.05. And from this p-value, we can conclude at 95% confidence level, males have got significantly more days of holidays than females did in 2015.